In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Classroom with Notion using Zapier or Make.com. This integration will help you stay organized, streamlining your workflow by automatically updating your Notion database whenever a new assignment is created in Google Classroom. Let's begin with a quick overview of why you might want to set up this integration. Google Classroom is a powerful tool for managing class assignments, while Notion is beloved for its versatile database capabilities. Combining these two platforms means you can have a centralized location for tracking all your assignments in real time. Handy, right? Now let's dive into the steps. First things first, you'll need to authenticate your accounts. Go to either Zapier or Make.com. Both platforms support this integration, so use whichever you prefer. Once you're there, sign in and locate the section dedicated to integrations or automations. Here, you'll begin by connecting your Google Classroom account. You'll be prompted to log into Google Classroom through their secure portal. It's just a matter of entering your credentials and authorizing access. Make sure you give permission for the tool to view and manage your classroom data. Next, you'll do the same for Notion. Again, simply log in and authorize access as requested. It's crucial to trust the platform with access to your data, knowing that security measures are in place to protect your information. With both accounts authenticated, it's time to set up the trigger. For our purpose, we are using the trigger, New Assignment Creation in Google Classroom. This means that every time you or any authorized party creates a new assignment in Google Classroom, it will kick off the process of updating Notion. While configuring your trigger, you can usually specify certain conditions or filters, such as specific classes or types of assignments. This customization ensures you capture the right data. Next, it's time to map out your data. This is where you decide how information from Google Classroom will appear in Notion. Typically, you'll want to map details, like the assignment title, due date, and description, to specific fields in your Notion database. To do this, set up a database or table in Notion that matches these fields. Ensure consistency in naming conventions, as this will make it easier for you to find and understand the information later. It's like connecting the dots between two different worlds, making sure the flow of data matches your organizational needs. Finally, before you go live, it's crucial to test the automation. Both Zapier and Make.com offer testing tools that simulate the transfer of data to ensure that everything is functioning smoothly. During testing, double-check that the assignment details populate correctly and make any necessary tweaks. If all goes well, activate the automation. From now on, your Notion database will update in real time, giving you peace of mind and more time to focus on teaching and learning. By completing these steps, you now have a powerful integration that leverages the strengths of both platforms, keeping all your assignment details organized and at your fingertips. Keep watching for more helpful tips and tricks on how to make technology work for you.